Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to put in paper and also how to put in cartridges. We don't have cartridges, but I'm going to show you on this Ricoh Aficio SG 2100M N. This is the thing, N. So look, this is a very beautiful printer, but it's a home printer. You can't use this in business or office unless maybe if you're alone. I recommend this to be used at home, not in office. Maybe in the office when you're one, you don't print a lot. But if it's home for your kids, homework and all that, it's a color printer. You can see even here it shows. These are the colors we have: magenta, cyan, black, and also yellow. So, well, the printer looks like this. At the back, understand? So yeah, let me do this. Yeah, well, that's it. So then let's do what we have to do. These you can take them off. So here you can change the heads and all that. They move from here. If you can see, these are pipes which transports your ink. You get me? So you can see the pipes are very clean, nothing in there. So you can see they go this side, which means also the toners, the cartridges have to be here. When you open here, this is the chamber where you can get your cartridges. You can see. So that's the place. Let me switch on. Okay, you can see how they are: 1, 2, 3, 4, which means there are 4 colors. You get me? That's when you put them. You can see even up there's something like, you can see how they are. Then there, that's it. So there, in that place, you close it. This is where you put your cartridges if you have some. Okay, papers they go here. It didn't sit in a good place. Let me put it down. I didn't put it on. It was supposed to be on the desk or whatever. Okay, and I forced it to take out the tray. I slided the tray out. Okay, you can see this. This is the tray. You can also remove the tray completely. Then maybe you clean it. So these are the papers. It's a A4 machine. Like this is a little bit dirty. So you can see that's the chamber here. In case you have paper jam or whatever, you can look into that. Yeah, you can see there inside, that's where the tray goes. Get me? So yeah, the paper is pulled from that side by the end there. So there should be a roller. You get me? And you see that there's a spring, something like that. So I work on a lot of machines here, but today I decided to see, because this is not a very popular machine. So after that, you can put back the tray like this. Let me do something here. That's our city, guys. Let me do something. I'm coming. I feel like I'm gonna put the printer down because where I put it is not very fine. Yeah, sorry about that. You can see the view here is so nice. So, but what we had to do on the printer is done, but you can still push for some few minutes here. So you've seen how to, that's what I said. If you want to use the printer so nicely, put it on a flat surface. You can put it down, it's fine, but it's not recommended to put it down. Better on the table, up on the table. So because you can take out the tray nicely, put it back. If there's some paper jam happens, it's easier to open it and all that. You can see like here, okay, and here. If you have some paper jam, you come here at the back. You can clean the paper jam. Sometimes the paper stacks here and doesn't move, pass through, you see, through the rollers, you get me? So that's why I'm saying, that's why I want to put it down here so that you can see what's going on here. Okay, then that's it. You can close it. You can see if you want to open it, you have to click there and switch on that. Then so once you click this, then this clips in here. So what you do, you press that, move it, press this, move it, then you open it. Done. Okay, but the only thing I've seen on this printer, cartridge is a little bit expensive, you get me, but it has a tiny screen. That's where you're gonna see your things. If there's an error, if the cartridge is finished and all that, you're gonna get it from this screen. Unlike other printers, they don't have that much. Like the screen is, it's not that. There are few printers where you can find there's no screen, those old printers, but this one has one. But the bad thing also on this printer, it doesn't have a copier. It's just a printer only. So if you want to make copies, you can't. You only have to make only things. It's a printer only, there's no copy. But the good thing about this printer is a color machine. Understand? Yeah, and it's not that very complicated. You saw where to put the cartridge, you just on here. When you want to put papers, you just put here. So everything is easy to see where you do that. So yeah, well guys, thanks for watching, and if you want us to do other videos, you can tell us. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to also like and all that. So I hope to see you in the second video or another video. This is the first video I do on this type of machines. Always I do on Ricoh 201, 301, all those machines, but this one is a special machine. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.